Okay, we moved the position of the cat food. We haven't moved the little house yet, but we moved the position of the cat food because Frank's little dog was getting a lot of the cat food. We put it up here on the boat so that the little dog couldn't get to it. And something has already come and gotten it. So we've noticed that the camera is taking pictures over there. The infrared will come on. Hopefully we caught whatever was up here. So let's check the camera. Go back down there and see what we might have. Jeeps are over there. This is one of Frank's projects. Don't see any eyeballs. They're deer. We've seen bobcat, fox. That may be something. No eyeballs though. Okay, we had to move the position of the camera because Frank's little dog was getting the cat food. So let's see what we may have besides me up there. Nothing. That's me. That's me. There's me. There's me again. We'll get rid of those. Ah. Look, that's the other cat. That's not the bobcat. Look at him or her. I wonder if we'll be able to tell what it is. Oh look, he's licking his paws after dinner. He's got to be looking around, got to be leery, because I said we've seen fox and bobcat up there in the other position.